Yes, student. Now, the last video of this class is rules of filling electrons. It is what? Distribution of electron in different orbitals. Student, I told you, if you follow the distribution of electron on the basis of quantum number, it will be incorrect. Actually, to fill up the electron, there are certain rules. The first rule is Aufbaus rule or Aufbau principle. Getting? The meaning of Aufbau is building up. Building up means how the electrons will fill, okay, in different energy level. This is the meaning of building up. So, what is the Aufbau principle? Actually, it consists three parts. In each and every part, you have to give proper attention. The first part is according to Aufbau's rule, electrons in orbitals are filled according to increasing order of energy level. Increasing order of energy level, that is starting from lower orbital, lower energy level to higher energy level. Getting? But the problem is how to determine the energy level. Therefore, the second part of the rule is there. The energy level is determined by taking the sum, okay, of principal quantum number, that is denoted by n, and azimuthal quantum number denoted by l. Student, I told you, in any of the denotation, these are what the presentation. The numeral value is for value of n, and the alphabet is for l. L means azimuthal quantum number. So we have to take the sum of n plus l value. But again one problem arises, if the energy level for two or more orbital are same. Energy level for two or more orbital are same. Then how do we fill up them? So here we filled up by lower energy value of n will consider lower energy level. That is lower value of n will consider lower energy level. So, while you have to write electronic configuration, you have to keep in mind A, B and C part of Aufbau rules. Getting? Now student, I am writing the electronic configuration. Very first I am writing incorrect distribution on the basis of quantum number, which we have discussed in earlier period. What is the incorrect distribution? Say 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d. Look at here, 1s, this is the second orbit, 3s, 3p, 3d, third orbit, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, fourth orbit, then 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, fifth orbit, 6s, 6p, 6d, 6f, sixth orbit, and then seventh orbit, 7s, 7p, 7d and 7f. But student, if you calculate the n plus l value, what is n plus l value? This value is called n and this is called n. Okay, n is equal to 1, so write here 1, and s value is what? 0. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. This is called n plus l calculation. Okay, now 2, that is n value is 2 plus s value is 0. So 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Similarly, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3 and so on. You will check it nicely. Okay. So when you will fill electron in this order, it will be incorrect. Why? It is because here 1 it is okay, 2 is okay, 3 is okay. Okay. But now there are two values of 3. So which will come first? In which the value of n will be lower. So the 2 is lesser than what? 3. Therefore 2p will fill first and 3s will fill later on. Get it? Now after 3 there is a value 4. It is okay. But there is 5 and again 4. So this is not okay. Because the higher energy level comes first and the lower energy is in later on. Therefore it is incorrect. So what we have to do? We have to correct all these sequences. So here 5 and 4 incorrect sequence, again 5, 6, 7 this is correct, but again there is 5, so again this is what incorrect sequence. Now 6, 7, 8, but again 6 is there, so incorrect. 7, 8, 9, and again 7, so again this is incorrect. Now 8, 9, 10, it is in sequence. So what to do? We have to reshuffle it on the basis of their energy level. So how do we start filling? We will fill 1s in first cell, that is what? 2 electron, 2s and 2p, it is in second cell, there will be how many electrons? 8 electrons. 3s and 3p, they are filled in third orbit, and there will be how many electrons? 8 electrons. Getting? So now 2, 8 and 8, first orbit, second orbit, third orbit. Now fourth orbit, again 4s, 4d, 4p, they are in one orbit, that is next orbit. So total number of electrons is 2 plus 10 plus 6 is equal to 18. So there are how many electrons? 18 electrons. Now 2, 10 and 6, these three will be filled in fourth orbit. They belongs to fourth orbit, and again electrons are how many? 18 electrons. Now the next one is S, F, D and P, they are filled in one orbit. So there it becomes how many electrons? 32 number of electrons. And in next orbit, that is last orbit, okay, that is what? Orbit number what? Last. So this is 2 electron, 6, 14 and 10. So 2 plus 6, 8 and 14, 22 and 10, 32. This will be in one orbit, so there will be how many electrons? 32 electrons, and there is no chances of 6 step according to chemistry, no chances of 7d and no chances of 7f. So these three orbitals are should not be present in any of the atom. This is the correct sequence according to Aufbaus principle. Now student, I will give its image. You have to follow video as well as what? Image. Image is better for writing and understanding the concept. Are you getting? So learn 1, 2, 3 rules, and then incorrect configuration, and this one is correct configuration. Remember, this is now correct configuration. Correct distribution. So you have to follow this one. Okay? Yes.